And that when he confronted his wife about an alleged affair, he said she alluded to an infidelity. Right. So he still got it out there. But I am listening to this thinking, Janet, why is the prosecution not objecting?
Right, and they just
until
did.
Now.
And then the judge, he said, maybe we approach it to yes, you may. And the judge sounded very angry. I mean, I'm just used to reading into judges' voices, and to me, I'm thinking, oh boy. And this defendant is a police officer, so he knows what he can when he goes, I don't know if I can talk about it or not. Yes, you do. You've been in courtrooms for your entire career. You've been trained on how to do this. So he's trying to backdoor, and when he says, I don't know if I'm allowed to talk about it, you know, it's kind of a wink and a nod, but you know it's the suicide attempt I'm really getting to, or something that's clearly so inflammatory that the judge kept it out.
Judy, do you recognize that he is, in some capacity, a professional testifier because of his job, his position, and do you think he's doing a pretty good job on the stand?
Well, I think he has a lot of expert knowledge that most people wouldn't have access to, and he's unfolding this in a very methodical, logical, planned out way. I mean, just even his demeanor on the stand. I mean, I know we can't see his face, and again, that's his choice. You know, he's hiding something, we don't know what it is, and he's trying to unfold this in a very dramatic, very thought-out process. And I think he's really reeling everybody in that way. And at the same time, he's had time to think about his testimony. He's really had time to really plan out piece by piece how he's going to divvy out this information. And so it's really tough, you know, just even hearing the audio, I really just get the sense that this whole thing is planned, and he does have access to all this information that most of us don't, you know, when we come to a testimony.
Right. And Deneen, do you find it odd, real quickly, do you find it odd that he didn't want to be on camera, since we see his picture, we see it all?
And as someone who's watching it, it does seem odd. I want to see his face. I want to see if that emotion is really there, or if he's smirking, what he looks like. So yeah, it is a little weird.
All righty, switching gears here real quickly. We're going to get you back to Seacat, but remember, a very crucial ruling could come down in the George Zimmerman trial. We are